A couple weeks ago on Instagram, I got an ad for these, the Ohora Semicured gel nails. They're kind of like a sticker for your nail, and once you cure it under a UV light, it's supposed to harden into like a normal gel manicure. So it's gonna be like that super thick, hard gel manicure feeling that lasts you a really long time, or at least I'm hoping that they're gonna. And I got some for my toes too. I didn't even know that these existed, like stickers for the toes. I've never seen anything like that. For my hands, I got the design N Fairy Cake, and for my toes, I got P Newtro #1. I don't know what that means, but they're really, really cute. First, we have to clean the nails with the prep pads that come with the strips. This step is super important because any leftover lotion or oil can prevent the strip from sticking to your nail. It comes with a bunch of different sizes so that you can measure them to your actual nail. This is the part where I kind of messed up. These are stretchy, so make sure that you stretch them over a bit to cover your entire nail and you won't have these side gaps like me. Peel the strip and apply it to the nail. This part was so satisfying. Step 4 is to firmly press the edges to complete the 0 point. And from this little diagram, it says the 0 point is the thinnest part of your nail that are these little tiny corners right here. So there and there. You can either use your nails or a clipper or the file to remove the excess part of the strip. I honestly think that using the clipper was the easiest. Next, you have to cure the nails. They recommend doing this step about 3 times to make sure that the strip is totally cured and secured on the nail. Cured and secured is the vibe. I think my nails came out looking really, really good. Like, it looks like I went to the salon and got them done, but we all know that the reason why people love gel manicures is because they last a really long time. So let's see how long these actually stay on. So I've been wearing the Ohora gel nail strips for about 11 days now, and I think I have to say I'm a fan. I'm a fan of these. These are honestly really cute and really fun. I noticed very minimal chipping. My hands, I had 1 or 2 like chips. My toes had nothing. Literally no chipping. They looked exactly the same. I was so impressed. Honestly, one thing I was really impressed by was the fact that that little star gem, do I know my shapes? It's a heart. The little heart gem that came on those thumbnail stickers lasted the entire time. I was not expecting it to do that. I was like, for sure this is gonna fall off the second I like take my eyes off it. It didn't. It's not totally the same thing as a real gel nail manicure, but the results are so similar that I feel like it's worth it. Technically, you're doing it for less time, less money, depending on how much you pay for your nails. And I think that you may be able to squeeze a second manicure out of this little kit because it comes with 30 nail stickers. So I feel like that's definitely enough where you can do like another round once you finish the first round.